This is the part of the video you'll definitely want to screenshot, the liquid gold recipe that melts mucus fast. You'll need 3 simple ingredients: raw Manuka honey, fresh lemon juice, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Honey acts as a natural demulcent. It coats and soothes your irritated throat to stop that dry, hacking cough. Fresh lemon juice slightly shifts the pH and delivers a powerful dose of vitamin C to support your immune cells. But the real melt factor is cayenne pepper. It contains capsaicin, a natural expectorant that thins thick phlegm. Before you scroll, please hit that like button and subscribe for more powerful health hacks. And the full video is linked in the description.